They have a minivan 2005 or similar. The engine is 3.8. I'm going to show you how you can replace the ignition coil. So you have two options. You can get the cheapest one that costs $35, or you can get this brand that is very good, $80. So it is up to you. If you want to gamble and do this like 2-3 times, I don't know. I want to do this just one time. So this is the product number, as you can see here. I can leave you the video description, the link, so that way if you want, you can buy the same thing. So this is the product, as you can see, because the other ones I saw some people complaining, hey, yes, it lasted maybe a month or a few weeks and then it broke, the generic one. I say, okay, I want to do this once and I want it to last for many years. So when you take this out of the box, as you can see, you have the connector here, and then you have the 6 outlets, for this. So basically this goes like that. The plug that you see here, it goes in that the direction, and you have this. So basically make sure that when you take the cables out, put them in the same position, and very easy. At least in this case, you have 1, 2, 3, and here this cable. So this one goes here. The one in the middle goes in the middle, and the other one goes here. Otherwise, you can just unplug one, plug it back here, unplug the other one, and do the same thing. So that way you don't mix up the cables. If you mix up the order of the cables, the engine will not work properly, or it will not work at all. So you're going to need the socket set. You're going to need 8 and 10. So you see these 2 screws? I just took these out. Basically, it goes like this, and you have to take those screws out. Those are the easiest screws to remove. Later, this is the 10. So basically, you have to grab the socket set with an extension and put it kind of like that, like you see here. So you will have to go through this, and then you have to make sure that you can make it fit in that, and you can spin it so just and screw it a little bit, and that's it. I think in my case, I'm not going to screw it back, so I'm going to put the screw on the top. That should be enough. The engineering sucks because they could have put this nut, in this side, so that way you can untie it quickly instead of doing all this. But I think it's for aesthetics. But other than that, it's like a U that it will sit on this, and that's it. So once you take this out, this is going to be out of the way, and then you have one nut here. I think this is 8, and the other one here is 8. And you see this red thing? So with a screwdriver like this, you have to push this towards my left side, so towards that, and then you should be able to push this down and pull it and unplug it. If you want, you can unplug the battery to be safe. Just remove the negative, and you should be good after that. So I'm going to work on that, and I'll show you later. As you can see, once you remove this little tongue here, and then push it from here out, and that's it. You unplug it, and then we are going to work on the nuts. As you can see, I was able to take it out. So if you have a tool like this, with this and this, you can reach it. So it's number 10 to remove the bolts, the nuts that goes here and here. That's it, very easy. So as you can see, I didn't unplug anything. So if you want, again, because here you have the numbers of the ignition. So you unplug one, plug it back here, the other one here, and so on, and that's it. And then you put the new one. Basically, you do the same thing backwards, and everything should work just fine. All right, as you can see, it's working. It's alive. Okay, so all you have to do, make sure that you plug this in all the way, In the beginning, I plugged it, but I didn't realize it wasn't all the way. I tried to crank it, and it wasn't starting at all. So make sure that it goes all the way until you see this here, and then you lock it, and it should be good. So again, this is what I was using. If you need the part number and everything is there. This is the old one, as you can see. Nothing complicated, just put the screw here, the nut here, plug it in, unplug one by one, plug it back in the way it was, and everything should be fine. So for now, it seems like the car is running properly. And that's it for now. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to keep learning, go to the playlist. I have more videos organized by different topics and organizing different things. I forgot. I have to put this back, you see? And that's it. If you don't want to tight, the other screw that I told you, it doesn't matter because it's sitting on top of it. And that's it. So if you unscrew that, it will be easier next time in 10 years, 20 years when you have to replace it again. Thank you for watching. See you next time.